What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Sorry I completely forgot to make a video yesterday, I was just very busy, I was out all day. But this weekly candle close, oh my gosh, if it closes like this right now, it's actually, it's the worst signal basically. As long as we can find support above these lows, we'll go into more detail about it, the exact levels, but that right there is a wick to the top. It wants to drop. The last time we got this exact candlestick, which was right here, we got 3 days of done, like 1, 2, 3, include that one. So we could obviously continue down because we're getting a shooting star that was actually green, and this candle was above the 12, the 55, and the 20 EMA. And then the bears stepped in at 45k and was like, no, we're not staying here. We don't like this level. We believe this level is too high for Bitcoin at this moment because this is the supply zone shown by the wicks to the top here. So it's basically saying that this is supply, so we need to go to demand, which is also just down here. So we need to see the reaction next week. We could have come back up, fill in this wick, break back up, or this could be the weekly bear market retest, for example. We need to come down a bit more before we actually get this mega pump basically, because it's just being pushed down ridiculously. It's had no real relief rallies. Obviously this is one here and this is a potential bottom signal, but this wick over here is really throwing the chart off because it's basically saying that it's a shooting star. But of course, even though it's a bearish sign, and of course you're retesting the 55 weekly MA, which every single time in the past you've gone into a bear market. Let me just show you. Oh, there we go. Here we go. So yeah, so down here we had a fake out, got back above bear market. Where's the 55 EMA retest? Right there. Don't know if this shows previous ones either. No, it's not loading. Okay, it doesn't matter. But yeah, going back to the last chart, go to the daily time frame now. Was it this one? No. Yeah, here we go. So this is what I left you with on Friday, I think it was. We said that if we break above this red support now resistance, which we've had 3 taps of and failed to since we made this wick resistance here, failed to close above it on the daily time frame, which has basically told us that we can't trade yet because we need a daily candle close above this wick and then we can trade, and our target would be 56k. We however know that at the 52k level there's this potential dead cat bounce scenario, but this is using the log scale basically, the fibs on the log scale. It's this option. If I go to the settings, fibs based on log scale, because if I turn it off then the 618 is at 55k, which sort of lines up with our technical target. You see we got some support here. So this was some sort of descending triangle here, and this was just a fake out. So it validated the pattern, broke back in, and then broke down. You can see this descending resistance here and the support over here on that and that. So this is the valid target, but of course we use fibs based on log scale. So what that's sort of telling me is that we could come up eventually. Obviously we're heading down, but I'm saying if we break above this, probably going to come up, break above the 618. Everyone's thinking we're going to create that reversal wave, because what should happen is you come down, come back to the 618 before continuation down. But Bitcoin potentially could get above the 618, meet this target. Everyone thinks we're going to the 1 at 69k. We fall below the 618, back test it as resistance, and then we go into a bear market or something like that. But of course, if we can just find support on the 618, then we eventually will go to the 1, and then the next target for Bitcoin would be 109k. But that's the bullish case, okay? Remember, I left you off with the 2 bearish scenarios. So one, this could be a bear flag, sorry. And if we lose this support now, which is at 37.3k, which is literally around this green area. So if we just lose this green area here, probably going to short. But what I would say at the moment though is you are holding the 0618. So we can bottom out here. So if we get a nice bullish candlestick, maybe a spinning top, maybe a hammer here, then we could climb back up to the top, because we would still be inside of the ascending triangle with this red horizontal support and this ascending support. So that was the bear flag. But yeah, we've also got the rising wedge over here. So if we do lose this pink line and then this green line here, our technical target would be down here at 35k. So if we do get a daily candle close below this green line, then I would short until here. But of course, if this is the bear flag, I think this is your target down here at the 1.272. So I'd only hold this trade, or I'll probably only trade to here, and if we got to the green line, sorry, and if we got candle close below the 1, then I would probably trade until the 1618. But I would look to take some profits here, because you might just stop at the 1.272, reclaim the 1 over here, reclaim that level, and then we could actually climb back up, and this could be a fake out to the downside. So of course that's the scenario we'd like if we do go down to actually recover. But of course it could go as deep as the 1618, which is at 28.9k. You can see that's at previous wicks over here, yeah, and support over here. So I would love to hope that this 28 to 30k area holds a support, because it was such strong support previously at the start of 2021, and midway through the bears could not push price below this. So it's a crazy base. So why would we expect that it drops below this time? Might get a wick below, but I don't think we would close below. If we do, then it's so negative, and we do have these two targets over here. The final target would be 23k, but we know that it does not have to be met. We could just stop at the 2 and then climb back up. So, and if we look at the EMAs now on the weekly time frame, see over here, if the internet bloody loads. Yeah, so on the week, oh, lovely. So on the weekly time frame, no, it's not the weekly, it's the monthly. Oh no, I've turned off the 200, no? I don't know. Let's see. Come on, mate. Oh, this chart just doesn't have all the data. Sorry, guys. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today. I've shown you in the past the bottom. Yeah, here we go. So where's this 200 EMA? Around 25, which is where that 2 target was, and then going to the monthly at the 2 target 23k here. So those would be the low targets if we do bottom out, and then we add on the previous chart we had those technical targets on the 2. What's up, Blaze? And we had the technical targets on the 2 at literally those 2 levels at 25k and 23k. Let me just show you quickly. Yeah. Oh, 25 and 23k. Those are the monthly 55 EMA and the weekly 200 EMA. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1-month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have 0, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.